Biology means what? Biology. The term biology is derived from the Greek word biosis means life and logia means study of. Biology is the study of life and living organism. Understand?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Biology is the study of life and living organism. Life means what? Life can be defined as the property or quality of the living organism that distinguishes from dead or living, non-living in some functions like growth, metabolism, response to stimuli, reproduction. In this metabolism, two category, anabolism and catabolism. What is the anabolism? Anyone tell?
To build up.
हा सांगा. Anabolism means what? Hello. Amina Bhagwan.
Breaking of molecules.
Yes, ma'am.
What is anabolism?
Making of a new molecule from micromolecules.
Okay. What is catabolism?
Breaking of molecules.
Breakdown of complex into large molecule into small molecule.
Okay. Then reproduction. Reproduction divided into two types, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Then next, diversity in the living world. In this biodiversity means what? The diverse form of organism present on earth is called as biodiversity. It means earthवर living organism present असते त्यांना biodiversity म्हणतात. Nomenclature means then next point is nomenclature. It is a system of naming organism. म्हणजे ही एक सिस्टीम आहे नेमिंग ऑफ ऑर्गॅनिझम म्हणजे ऑर्गॅनिझमना नाव देण्याची. There are million of plants and animals in world. Plant and animals are known in the world area by their local names. These local names are vary from place to place, region to region, and within a country also. तुम्हाला अजून काय माहिती आहे नॉमेनक्लेचर बद्दल?
Scientific name.
ओके. अजून
Species name.
yes. Then next, binomial nomenclature. Binomial nomenclature means what? 12वीला झालंय ना हा पॉइंट?
Yes, ma'am. झाले.
Yes, ma'am. झालं.
Scientific name also called as a binomial nomenclature.
Oh, yes. Binomial nomenclature means what? It is a universally accepted that plants and animals around use are known various local names. For convenience, it is also agreed that they should be known by title uniform throughout so there is no confusion about their identity. The scientist ensured has two compounds, generic name and specific epithet. Example, इथे example दिले बघा. Saraka indica, it means Ashoka. त्यातील जेनेरिक नेम कोणता आहे आणि स्पेसिफिक एपिथेट?
Saraka is a generic name and indica is a specific.
Okay, good. Here Saraka is generic name and indica is a specific epithet. Then next, rules of nomenclature. First rule is each scientific name has two parts. The first will represent genus and second presents specific epithet. It means name of two parts. मराठीत सांगायची गरज आहे तुम्हाला?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
ओके, कारण ऑलरेडी तुम्हाला बायो 12वीत झालंय.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मॅम माझा 12वीत बायो नव्हता.
नव्हता का?
हो.
Rules of nomenclature. First rule is each scientific name has two parts. म्हणजे प्रत्येक सायंटिफिक नेमचे दोन पार्ट असतात, एक स्पेसिफिक आणि एक जेनेरिक. म्हणजे आपण पाठीमागे एक्झाम्पल बघितलेले, तर सराका इंडिका जेनेरिक नेम काय आहे सराका आणि इंडिका इज अ स्पेसिफिक एपिथेट. Then next, second rule is the word of the name should be separately underlined when handwritten and should be italics when printed. It means word असतो तो separately underline केलेला असतो when handwritten and should be italic when printed. Third is a generic name should be started with the capital letter. Generic name start करतात capital letter ना, and specific epithet should be start with small letter. Then next, fourth is the names should be either Latin or Latinized. Name should be Latin. Latin मध्ये असतो किंवा Latinized. The name of the author appears at the end of the scientific name is abbreviated from. For example, Saraka indica Lin, it indicates the species is first described by Linnaeus. Sorry, Linnaeus. Then next, classification. It is the arrangement of organism in specific group or category based on certain characters. These categories are called as taxa. म्हणजे स्पेसिफिक ग्रुप किंवा स्पेसिफिक कॅटेगरी जी समजा एखाद्या कॅरेक्टरची स्पेसिफिक ग्रुप किंवा कॅटेगरी ऑर्गॅनिझमची असते ती अरेंजमेंट केलेली असते, त्या कॅटेगरीला काय म्हणतात? टॅक्सा. टॅक्सॉनॉमी मीन्स व्हॉट? इट इज अ सायंटिफिक और इट इज अ सायन्स ऑफ आयडेंटिफिकेशन, नॉमेनक्लेचर and classification of organism based on external and internal structure with cell structure, development process and ecological information. ह्यामध्ये काय केले जातं? ऑर्गॅनिझमचं आयडेंटिफिकेशन केलं जातं, नॉमेनक्लेचर, क्लासिफिकेशन बेस्ड ऑन इंटरनल आणि एक्सटर्नल स्ट्रक्चर, म्हणजे त्याचं एक्सटर्नल आणि इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चरवर, सेल स्ट्रक्चरवर, डेव्हलपमेंट प्रोसेस अँड इकोलॉजिकल इन्फॉर्मेशन. Then next, systematic. In this systematic, it is the study of organism with reference to identification, nomenclature, classification and evolutionary relationship. यामध्ये या ऑर्गॅनिझमचा स्टडी केला जातो कशावरून तर आयडेंटिफिकेशन, नॉमेनक्लेचर, क्लासिफिकेशन अँड इव्हॉल्युशनरी रिलेशनशिप. Then next, the descending order of taxa used in classification are descending order मध्ये classification दिलेलं आहे इथं. First is kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. First is kingdom. Kingdom means kingdom comprises of various phyla of animal and various division of plants. ह्यामध्ये व्हेरियस म्हणजे वेगवेगळ्या एनिमल, फायला ऑफ एनिमल अँड व्हेरियस डिव्हिजन ऑफ प्लांट म्हणजे वेगवेगळ्या डिव्हिजन असतात प्लांट्सच्या. देन नेक्स्ट फायलम और डिव्हिजन. फायलम इज फायलम इन एनिमल and division in plant included related classes. यामध्ये प्लांटचे डिव्हिजन आणि ॲनिमलचे फायलम इन्क्लूड केले रिलेटेड असते ती क्लासेस. देन क्लास, several related orders are included in a class. Then next order, the order included several related families. Order कशाशी related आहे? फॅमिलीशी related आहे. Family, fifth is family is a group related to families. Genus is a group related to species. Sorry, तो families नाही, genus आहे. Family is a group related to genus. Then next, genus is group related to the correlated characters. Species, it is the basic unit in classification. The members of a species are closely related, derived from a common ancestor and can calibrated to produce fertile offsprings. ह्याच्या डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर आहेत टॅक्साच्या, त्या एकमेकाशी रिलेटेड आहे. किंगडम, क्लासेस ऑर्डर इन्क्लुडेड इनटू द ऑर्डरशी रिलेटेड आहे. ऑर्डर इज रिलेटेड टू द फॅमिली इज रिलेटेड टू द जीनस. समजते सगळ्यांना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am.
हॅलो.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हा सेल वॉल कशामध्ये प्रेझेंट असते आणि कशामध्ये अबसेंट असते? हॅलो
Cell wall present in plants and
cell
absent in animals.
animal cell मध्ये absent.
काय मोठ्याने सांगा.
Cell wall plant
Present in
cell
plants and absent in animals.
ओके. There are cell wall is not made up of cellulose. Cellulose पासून बनलेली नसते cell wall. They do not process definite nucleus and lack cell organelles. Some organisms can synthesize their food while others show heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Example: bacteria, mycoplasma, blue-green algae, etc. प्रोकॅरियोटिक्स म्हणजे माहिती आहे तुम्हाला? हॅलो.
Yes, ma'am.
Presence of nucleus.
Yes, ma'am.
हा
Prokaryotes mean presence of nucleus.
ओके. And eukaryotic means?
Absence of nucleus.
Absent of nucleus.
Okay.
Presence of nucleus with a nuclear membrane. That is eukaryotic. What the?
Then next point. Protista. Protista, kingdom or large grouping that comprises mostly single-celled organisms such as the protozoa, simple algae and fungi, simple mold and the bacteria. ह्यामध्ये लार्ज ग्रुपिंग असते. अल्गे, फंगाय, बॅक्टेरिया, त्याचे मोठ्या प्रमाणात ग्रुपिंग केलेले असते. Then next, they are now divided into 30 phyla and some have both plant and animal characteristics. This group consists of many type of unicellular eukaryotic organism. In this म्हणजे ह्या प्रोटिस्टा मध्ये many types of unicellular eukaryotic organism असतात. Then next, silent feature of protista has they are simple and unicellular eukaryotic organism. They have defined a nucleus and membrane bond organelles. Locomotion occurs with the help of hair-like structure like cilia. Example: wipe-like structure like flagella. Example: euglena, amoeba. Few protista synthesized their own food, that is, they are autotrophic, while others show heterotrophic mode of nutrition. समजले प्रोटिस्टा म्हणजे काय?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then next, third is fungi. Fungi are simple eukaryotic lacking silent features such as cell wall is present. It is made up of through tough complex sugar-like Second is they are non-photosynthetic. Their mode of nutrition is heterotrophic. Most of them are spirophytes. Next, most fungi are multicellular. Especially yeast is a unicellular fungi. Yeast expect आहे बाकीचे most of the fungi multicellular असतात फक्त yeast सोडून. Yeast is a unicellular fungus. Then next Animalia. This group consists of all multicellular eukaryotics which do not possess a cell wall. Their silent features are these are heterotrophic. They do not prepare their own food. म्हणजे हेट्रोट्रॉपिक आहेत स्वतःच अन्न स्वतः तयार करत नाहीत. They are multicellular eukaryotics. Cell wall is absent. Cell wall absent असते ह्या. They show very limited which stop after maturity. मॅच्युअर झाले तर ते स्टॉप होते. म्हणजे किंगडम एनिमेलिया इज फर्दर क्लासिफाइड इनटू व्हर्टेब्रेट्स अँड इनव्हर्टेब्रेट्स. दोन ब्रँचेस केले आहेत. म्हणजे किंगडम एनिमेलिया इज फर्दर क्लासिफाइड इनटू टू ग्रुप्स, vertebrates and invertebrates. All of you know vertebrates.
Yes, ma'am.
What is
The animals.
Notochord.
मोठ्याने सांगा.
Presence of notochord means vertebrates.
Invertebrates means
Absence of notochord.
okay. Then next viruses. व्हायरस बद्दल तुम्हाला माहिती असेल. हॅलो.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. सांगू शकाल तुम्हाला काय माहिती आहे व्हायरस बद्दल? Anyone explain?
Corona, it is very harmful.
ओके. व्हायरसेस बद्दल सांगा. कोरोना बद्दल नका सांगू. कोरोना व्हायरस नाही ग. ओके. सी
Single stranded RNA.
Viruses are non-cellular.
ओके.
Till now, the scientists are not confirmed that viruses are living or non-living. When they enter in our body, they are living, and when they are outside the body, they are non-living.
Okay, good. Viruses are ultra microscopic non-cellular living particles composed slowly of nucleic acid, DNA or RNA, or surrounded by the protein enveloped called as capsid. Then next, viruses are devoid of the suffocated enzymatic and biosynthetic machinery essential for independent activities of cellular life. Therefore, they can grow only inside suitable living cells. That is why They are cultivated in laboratory only inside living cells. म्हणजे ते जेव्हा आपल्या किंवा एखाद्या ऑर्गॅनिझमच्या शरीरामध्ये जातात किंवा इनसाइड होतात तेव्हा ते ऍक्टिव्ह होतात म्हणजे ऍक्शन दाखवतात. Viruses do not increase in size. Size increase होत नाही त्यांची. They can passes through filters. Pass through filters through which bacteria can't pass. Viruses filter मधून pass होते, bacteria होत नाही. A virus is called either DNA virus or RNA virus depending upon their contents the nucleic acid DNA or RNA. A virus can't have both DNA and RNA. कोरोना जो व्हायरस आलाय त्यामध्ये कोणते DNA का RNA व्हायरस आहे तो?
I think DNA.
I think RNA.
RNA.
RNA or DNA?
RNA.
Okay, RNA virus. Corona virus is RNA virus. Then next, structure of viruses. The viruses which infect bacteria are called as bacteriophage or phages. The bacteriophage were first described Tourette and E. Hirale in 1915. The term bacteriophage means to eat bacteria. Was coined by Hurley because of their ability of these viruses to destroy the infected bacteria cells through lysis. Lysis means what?
To break.
Okay, good. Break. Bacteriophage exhibit notable variability in their size, shape, and complexity of structure. तुम्ही व्हायरसेसचं स्ट्रक्चर बघितलंय 12वीत बायोच्या बुक मध्ये होतं.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All of you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. ज्यांचा मॅथ्स होता 12वी मध्ये त्यांना समजले बायोचं?
Yes, ma'am.
प्रतीक्षा भोसले समजले तुम्हाला? काय समजले सांगा? प्रतीक्षा भोसले, समर्थ पाटील तुम्हाला समजले? समर्थ पाटील माइक अनम्यूट करा. समर्थ पाटील नाही आहेत का ते? भूपेंद्र कोवे,
Yes, ma'am.
तुम्हाला समजते?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. कारंडे सत्वशीला, कारंडे सत्वशीला,
Yes, ma'am.
तुमच्या 12वीला बाहेर होता का? कॉमर्स होता?
दोन्ही पण होतं.
दोन्ही पण होते का? ओके. समजलं तुम्हाला आजचं लेक्चर?
हो.
Yes, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला आपण नेक्स्ट पॉइंट बघूया. We will stop here. स्टॉप करूया का?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मॅम
Okay, ma'am.
नोट्स क्लासरूम वर शेअर करा.
हो हो.